Hello everyone, welcome to this video, solving solution of system of linear equation using algebraic method. So this is one of the method on how to solve no system. So let's get started. So algebraic method, or also known in some literature, some other books, it is known to be a substitution method. Why? First one, it uses the manipulation of equations. It's in terms of x or in terms of y, depending on the strategy of the solver. Now, what we're going to use now in application, which is known as Microsoft Math or Microsoft Math Solver. So you can go to www.microsoft.com. Okay, we will use now this example. So using substitution method, solve the simultaneous equation 7x minus 2y is equal to 21 and 4x plus y is equal to 37. Using Microsoft Math, we'll use the two versions. One is the web browser so that you can use that in your computer or application in cell phone or tablet. Hi everyone, so this is now the web version of Microsoft Math Solver. So you go to that website, mathsolver.microsoft.com, and then you'll have this page, home page. So it goes with a lot of things with pre-algebra topics, algebra, trigonometry, and calculus. So you can start it with this one. So you have now a keyboard there. So you can now work on the problem, which is 7x minus 2y, so I'm just typing it with my keyboard, is equal to 21. And then you go with this one so that we could have now the next line, so that it will have now a system. And then you have now 4x plus y is equal to 57. So as you can see, this is now the system, and then it will now solve now by clicking this one. So it's now processing now. So you can download as well its application, either App Store or Google Play. So the answer is there. X is equal to 9 and y is equal to 21. It didn't write it in an ordered pair. So it just defined out that x would be 9 and y would be 21. So there are methods that you could work on. However, in this video, we would like to look at now the substitution method. So you can now click down this one, view solution step. All the solutions are there. So here's the system. So it makes it make this one. So you can read this one to solve pair of equation. So you need to make it in terms of x. It chooses that 7x minus 2y is equal to 21. So working on in terms of x. So what we have there is x equal to 1/7 times 2y plus 21. So working on that, it multiplies 1/7. So we have now 2/7y plus 3. Now getting now the second equation. 4 times the value of x, which is in terms of x of the other equation. And then here's now how it works. And then multiplying. So all the steps are there, going to the answer, which is y is equal to 21. Now, substituting now the value of y to the first equation, which is in terms of x, to get now the value of x. So the value of x is 9. So therefore, the system is now solved. So x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 21. As you can see as well here, there is also the graph. So you can see now the graph. And there are quizzes that you can answer, and there are videos, suggested videos as well if you click more items. Okay, everyone, here's how you're going to use now Microsoft Math in your phone or in your tablet. So you can download Microsoft Math using now your Play Store or App Store for Apple. So you can search now Microsoft Math, and then searching Microsoft Math, you will see now an application. So I'll open it now. So this is now how it works, Microsoft Math. So there are 3 options that you're gonna work that out. It's either you go scan you write now the equation in a paper and then take a picture, or you can write it by digital inking. So for example, like the example that we do have, which is 7x minus 2y is equal to 21. Look at that at the upper part. The equation is being recognized. And then you have now 4x plus y is equal to 57. So that's one option. You're going to go and then you click now the green button. It's like the send button in your email. or you can now work on with the type. So it's automatic. We can go on type. If you want some make some editing, you can work that out. However, you're gonna click now the blue button below, and there's now the answer. So it's now processing. So by the way, this application is web-based. So like what we're working now, it's now using now substitution. So you can now work that out. It's just the same when using now the browser. So the answer is x is 9 and y is equal to 21. And there's a graph as well. And there's an additional activity for you. You can take in a quiz so that you can work that out. So that's how it works. I hope you can learn something about this one, solving solution of system linear equation using algebraic method. And you can use now Microsoft Math Solver in this one. So I think that would be very helpful for us to make it easier for us to see what is now the solution of the system. Have a great day, everyone.